State governments in Uttarakhand clearly turned a blind eye to warnings and were unfortunately crossing swords with the centre over the eco-zone proposal. Even now, when confronted with tough questions on the issue, the Chief Minister lost his cool.
Widespread devastation, untold horror, and many lives lost. Unfortunately, these scenes could have been averted had successive state governments heeded to the warnings. When Times Now asked pointed questions to the incumbent Congress Chief Minister, we did not get answers, but only aggression.
No, I'll not answer this. I've told you this is not eco-sensitive zone. You are in favor of eco-sensitive zone. You are talking of environment. No. I've told you this. Uttarkashi is not, the eco-sensitive zone is not what you call hit by this.
But this letter by the Union Environment Minister, written to the then Chief Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal as early as January 2010 and then again in June 2011, cautioned the state government about illegal sand mining along the Ganga. But the Chief Minister of the former BJP government also living in denial.
यदि दोनों पक्षों को देखें तो एक अलग विषय हो सकता है कि पर्यावरण से छेड़छाड़ हो रहे हैं, उसके नतीजे ये हो रहे हैं। देखिए, पहाड़ों से छेड़छाड़ का नतीजा भी अब जैसे केदारनाथ जी में तो ऊपर से आया, वहां तो कभी छेड़छाड़ नहीं हुई। केदारनाथ जी से पीछे जिसके हम कभी सपने में कल्पना नहीं कर सकते थे।
As Times Now digs deeper into the massive tragedy that has unfolded in Uttarakhand, clear signs that what has transpired is man-made with no easy answers.
People, the politicians, particularly from Uttaranchal, have been absolutely determined to do development to the point of death.
The man-made activities that have been going on in Uttarakhand have a major role in what has happened.
In the battle between development and environmental concerns, those in power looking to satisfy their vote banks and the ecosystem paying a heavy price.
छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में बात नहीं करनी चाहिए। पूरे हिमालयन रेंज में विकास करेंगे तो पर्यावरण को नुकसान पड़ेगा, पर्यावरण को रखेंगे तो विकास नहीं होगा। लोगों को आज बड़ी अपेक्षा है, इसको एक टोटल ओवरव्यू लेना चाहिए, समग्र दृष्टि देखना चाहिए।
Finger pointing, blame game and justifications. But the tall words unable to camouflage the big truth, inaction and feet dragging by those in power, leading to the worst tragedy in decades. Bureau Report, Times Now.